All right, let's settle this. You've seen Linktree, Beacons, Stan, and all these little link in bio tools floating around. But are they actually helping your brand grow? Or are they just a convenient middle step before you build something better? Well, in this video, I'm breaking down the pros and the cons of link in bio pages versus full websites, and helping you figure out what's best for where you're at right now, especially if you're a creator, an entrepreneur, or a small business owner. If you've ever asked yourself, do I really need a website? This might change how you think about your online presence. Linktree versus website. Which one actually builds your brand? Let's break it down. What is a link in bio page? All right, let's start with Linktree. And when I say Linktree, I mean any of those link in bio tools. Beacons, Stan Store, Koji, etc. They're simple, mobile-optimized landing pages that let you list multiple links in one place. Socials, merch, email signups, product pages, YouTube videos, whatever you want, all in one convenient hub. It's why creators, influencers, and even small businesses lean on them so heavily. Dead simple setup. You can launch one in 5 minutes with zero coding. Just plug in your links, choose a color scheme, and go. Most platforms are drag and drop or template based, so you never feel stuck dealing with tech headaches. No domain or hosting required. You don't need to buy a domain or deal with web hosting. It's like renting a pop-up shop. Fast, easy, and done for you. Perfect for people who just want to focus on content without tech distraction. Built for mobile and conversions. These tools were made for mobile, and that's key. Most of your traffic from Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube is coming from phones. Link in bio pages are designed to convert with clear buttons, big fonts, and fast-loading designs. Easy to update anytime. Need to change a link after a viral TikTok? You can do it from your phone in 30 seconds. No waiting on a developer or rebuilding anything. But while these tools are great for simplicity, that same simplicity can also be the problem because you're not really building something that's yours. What makes a website different? Now, let's talk websites. A real website is your digital home base. It's not just where people click. It's where they experience your brand, whether you're a coach, a streamer, a business owner, or a creative. This is your space to show who you are and what you offer and why people should care. You're in full control. Unlike Linktree, which looks the same for everyone, your website is 100% customizable. Layout, fonts, images, copy, and even interactive elements. You can create with a website. You can create an about page to tell your story, a services page that books clients, a shop for your digital or physical products, a portfolio to showcase your work, a blog to boost your SEO, or even a members-only hub for paid content or courses. You own it. When you build a website, you own the domain, the design, the content, all of it. If Linktree disappears tomorrow, so do your links. But your website, that's permanent real estate. It helps you rank. Google doesn't index your Linktree, but it does index your website. That means more discoverability, more traffic, and more authority, especially when you're trying to build long-term. It's a growth engine. You can embed forms, collect emails, set up automations, retarget ads, all the stuff that helps you turn clicks into actual revenue. Pros and cons, let's break them down. So let's compare these side by side. Linktree and link in bio pages. The pros, they're fast to launch, there's no tech skills required, they're mobile friendly, they're all very easy to manage, and they're great for beginners and quick promotions. The cons. The cons are limited customization, there's no search engine optimization value, it doesn't build your authority, you don't own the platform, and it can look generic or temporary. Now, when it comes to custom websites, the pros, they're fully custom. You own the platform. It's great for search engine optimization. It enables real lead capture and analytics. And it builds long-term trust. The cons. Websites take more time to build. They cost money for the domain, hosting, and possibly design help. They need ongoing maintenance. And it can get overwhelming if it's poorly planned. When to use each? So, which should you use? Here's the truth. It depends on your stage. If you're just getting started, Linktree is your best friend. It's fast, clean, and lets you send people to your offers without the hassle of building out a whole site. No shame in starting there. If you're trying to grow a business or brand, well, then it's probably time for a website. You'll need a space to tell your story, lead capture, search engine optimization, a professional presentation, and a system that works when you're not online. Want the best of both worlds? You can actually host a Linktree-style landing page on your own website, so you keep the convenience and the ownership. All right, if you're thinking, cool, I'm sold, but where do I start? Here are some of my favorite tools for building both websites and link in bio pages, depending on your level, your needs, and your vibe. Card.co. Card is the MVP of minimalist websites. It's perfect for one-pagers, like a personal landing page, a quick portfolio, or even a lightweight sales funnel. You can start for free, and it's drag and drop simple. If you want something up today, Card is a winning choice. Notion isn't a website builder in the traditional sense, but creators are getting super creative with it. It's clean, customizable, and gives off a modern techie vibe. Great for freelancers, creators, or educators who want something professional but non-traditional. Plus, you can use it as your internal dashboard and a public site. Two birds, one tool. Squarespace and Wix. These are your classic all-in-one platforms. They come with tons of templates, built-in tools for blogging, e-commerce, email signups, even appointment booking. Squarespace leans more polished and design first, while Wix offers a bit more flexibility. Both are great if you want a real site without needing to touch code. WordPress. If you're serious about control, flexibility, and scaling over time, WordPress is still the king. It powers a huge chunk of the internet for a reason. You'll want to go the self-hosted route with a service like SiteGround or Bluehost, and you will still have to learn a bit more. But it's powerful. Great for businesses, blogs, and brands that plan to grow fast. Koji and Beacons. For link in bio tools with extra features like tip jars, digital downloads, mini shops, or even email opt-ins, Koji and Beacons are top tier. Think of them as Linktree with benefits. If you're a creator looking to monetize and you're not ready for a full site yet, these are fantastic middle ground tools. Inkaloo. Hey, if you want something that's actually built by creators for creators, then check out our very own platform, Inkaloo. We designed it to give you a sleek digital hub that combines link in bio functionality with personal branding tools, without the clunky setup or big learning curve. More on Inkaloo in upcoming videos. Remember, you don't have to go all in overnight. Start where you are. If you're early in your journey, pick a tool that gets you online fast. If you're ready to level up, choose something that gives you room to grow. The important thing is this: get started, build something real, and don't let decision paralysis keep you from moving forward. So here's the final word. If you're serious about building your brand online, don't stop at a Linktree. Start there if you need to, but eventually you'll want something that truly reflects who you are and where you're going. Let me know in the comments. Are you team Linktree, team website, or both? If you want me to break down the best no-code tools for websites in an upcoming video, smash that like button and let me know below. And hey, if you need help building your digital presence or deciding what fits your brand best, check out our agency, Socialocca. We create content and strategies that help creators and businesses all over the globe grow online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.